Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I have something special. We have a mystery package from Digital Walker. And I actually took a peek already inside, and I can tell you that this has one of the best gaming smartphones that you can buy within the 25 to 30,000 peso price range. So let's check out what's inside the box. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have 6 ongoing giveaways ranging from smartphones to Funko Pops to limited edition sneakers, including the Anta Clay Thompson East Bay Times sneaker, which is limited to just 200 pairs in the world, and we're giving one away. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, that you follow me on IG, join our Facebook community, and then click the links to the respective mechanics in the description box. So let's jump right into it, guys. Let's pop this open. We have 5 items inside the box over here. 4 of the items are actually smart home gear, smart home equipment, ranging from light bulbs to whatnot, and we have the phone. So I'll kick things off immediately with the smartphone because I think that's why you guys are here, especially with the title. So this, as you can see, is the OnePlus 7 smartphone. The great thing about OnePlus is that they're able to always deliver you maximum beastly specifications at a very competitive price point. Now, what do I mean by that? It's kind of like you get flagship specifications, the specs that you would get with smartphones that sell for like 15,000 pesos, but you just have to pay 2/3 the price. This one sells for a little over 26,000 pesos here in the Philippines. You can get it from Digital Walker, and it already packs a Snapdragon 855 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. It has a gorgeous 6.4-inch display that you can maximize for your gaming needs, and it also has 3,700 milliamperes of battery. So as you guys can see, it comes in this white box with highlights of red. I think that's like the official color of OnePlus. Chinese characters here at the top of the label, 7, and then it says over here, go beyond speed, OnePlus 7. So if you pop the box open, boom, you have, well, it's not another box, it's just a compartment. So if you actually take this out, then you get to the smartphone. So this contains obviously the usual packet of manuals and other materials, including a jelly case. So it's a silicone transparent jelly case over here that already comes free with the device. And then you have your manuals, you have your SIM ejector, and you have, I don't know what this is, but it says open, so let's probably open it. It has like a note in Chinese, which I don't understand, but this is a really nice addition. So it makes the unboxing experience a little bit different compared to just you know, seeing the usual stuff that you would see inside the smartphone box. Then you get to the actual smartphone. This is the OnePlus 7 in red, and as you guys can see, it says there, never settle, which is like the tagline of OnePlus. And that is absolutely stunning. Take a look at the color red that they used for this device. It just literally pops like crazy. So again, you have that 6.4-inch display here at the front. You have the 2 dual camera setup with the flash there at the back, and you have that really nice smooth metallic red finish here at the back that just looks again amazingly stunning. So wow, I mean, it's a good thing that the case it came with is transparent, because I wouldn't want to cover this beauty up with a black back case. So anyway, let's set the phone aside first as we turn it on and take a look at what else is inside the box. So apart from that, we have the OnePlus Dash Charger, which is their quick charge charging device, and then you have, what else is here? A USB-C cable, so it's over there. Now, one thing missing that I can't find anywhere in the box is a pair or a set of headphones or earphones. Apparently, they did that, they excluded that from the package. The good news though is that if you want to buy OnePlus accessories ranging from their wireless headphones, earphones, to their cases, even extra chargers, Digital Walker carries a lot of the accessories, even like the OnePlus backpack. So you have the option to buy all of that over at the store. The only bad thing is that it doesn't come free in the package. So we're already starting to set it up. To those who don't know, this comes in Android 9 with the Oxygen OS of OnePlus. Very minimalist, very straightforward, not a lot of bloatware. which is perfect for people who are looking for the vanilla or usual Android experience. You know, one thing that I've always loved about OnePlus is the keyboard, the stock keyboard that it has. The spacing is just right. It's just perfect. And I rarely have any problems at all figuring out how to properly type in it. There's less mistakes with the OnePlus keyboard, so it's just something that I wanted to let you guys know. It's something that I've observed ever since I first used a OnePlus smartphone. I think the first one that I used was the OnePlus 3 or the 4. I can't remember anymore the 5, but one of the earlier generations. Now, it also has screen off gestures, so these are things that you can play with the device and it will function or draw up certain actions. Some of them, if you turn on and off flashlight, you just have to draw a V on the display, which is off. You can also double tap to wake. You can also draw an O on the blank screen to automatically turn on the camera, and you can draw like this with 2 fingers to play music, or draw like backwards or forwards to be able to go to the previous and next track. So it actually saves a little bit more time because you don't have to unlock the device without, before being able to call these certain actions. So friends, we've successfully activated and set up the phone, and this is what the home screen looks like. Minimalist, stunning, and incredibly vivid. That's the experience that you get with the 6.4-inch display, and man, it just looks wow. The device that you get, the quality of devices that you can get these days for 26,000 pesos, thanks to companies such as OnePlus, mind blown. Anyway, please do watch out for my full review of the OnePlus 7 smartphone coming soon, wherein I will focus more on the gaming aspect, because that, I think, is where the phone really shines. OnePlus has never been known to have the best cameras available in the market today, but they do offer beastly specifications for the price point that you are paying. So if you're looking for gaming, if you're looking for editing, if you're looking for high power required applications on your mobile device and you don't have like 50,000 pesos to spare for a new flagship phone, you really have to consider and check out the OnePlus 7. Anyway, let's set aside the phone for now and let's check out what else is inside this package that, Digital Walker sent over. Next up, we have the Lilight. So this is the Lilight Light Strip Plus. So think of it as an LED strip that you can put at the back of furniture or different parts of your wall, and you can actually control the color spectrum as well as turning it on and off with Google Assistant. So if you have like a smart home setup and you want your lights to turn on and off, you can change the color, the mood, the tone of the room, you can actually use the Lilight. Now the great thing about the Lilight system, including the strip to the bulbs, is that they are affordable compared to like the more expensive bulbs out there from brands such as Philips. Just so you guys have an idea, the strips, they sell for like 3,000, 4,000 pesos. For Lilight, it sells for just 8,999 pesos. The bulbs of Philips, the one that you screw on top of your ceiling, they sell for over, I think, like 3,500 pesos per light bulb, just for you to be able to control it and sync it to your phone. But the one that you get from this one, again from Lilight, which is their smart LED bulb colored, sells for just 1,690 pesos, half the price of what you would pay for a Philips smart bulb. So we do have like 3 smart bulbs here as well. We have 2 of the colored smart bulbs. Again, these go for 1,690 pesos. And we also have a white smart LED bulb, which goes for 1,390 pesos. The great thing about putting together like a smart home setup like this is you can get like speakers that have voice assistant enabled. And one of the best Google Assistant enabled speakers that you guys can pick up today, apart from offering that functionality, but also a classic aesthetic as well as kick-ass sound quality, are the Marshall speakers with voice assistants enabled. The one that I have is the Marshall Action 2, if I'm not mistaken. It is portable, it is light, it looks amazing, and again, the sound quality is just really kick-ass. So if you pair the Marshall speakers with good connection at home combined with smart home equipment such as this, should be good. And for our power up words of wisdom for the day, knowledge is power. So make sure that you guys research before buying a smartphone. Make sure that you match what you need and what you are buying so that you don't pay an excess to what you are actually looking for in a smartphone. So for example, if you're just looking for the ultimate best gaming smartphone out in the market today, you don't actually have to spend like, 50, 60, 70,000 on the latest iPhone or on the latest Galaxy, because you're paying for so much more than just the internal specifications. You're paying for the camera, you're paying for the marketing behind those brands, you're paying for the accessory ecosystem, and a whole lot more goes into the price tag that you pay for those particular devices. You can actually, again, just go with companies such as OnePlus that offer those beastly specifications, those, monster level specs at a more affordable price point. If you use your smartphone anyway, mostly for ML and other games, then it's actually a wiser decision to match your requirements with what it is that you are trying to buy than just blindly buying the most expensive smartphone out there, thinking that it is the most powerful and thinking that it's what you need. But when in fact, it's not. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.